Hey guys, good day. So our solution is Smart Rescue powered by Avaya Fly Monitor, and we are Alok, Tejas, and Kalyani. So our solution is basically for disaster management using Avaya products. So there are different sections. One is before, so using Avaya tools before a disaster, one is during disaster, and one is post disaster. So this is the high level architecture. We have people calling to a local helpline number, and then that call getting answers from Dialogflow. We have Avaya Spaces connecting to a drone, where live footage of the drone can be monitored by different stakeholders. We have Toolwire integration for Spaces learning for taking up different courses in disaster management. We have Telnex APIs for verifying the caller's number to make sure that it's not a fraud call. We have used CPaaS integration for sending SMS back to the caller in case of certain use cases. So first use case is the Spaces learning, where person wants to help in a disaster. So let's play the use case quickly.
What can I do for you today? I can assist
The
you
user
with
has
the
made a
following
call.
options. 1. Emergency rescue. 2. Find a family. 3. Volunteer for rescue operation. 4. Check if you are safe.
Volunteer in rescue operation.
Thank you for showing your interest in volunteering. Please tell me your name and location.
My name is Jim Foster and nearby location is Museum of Art, Florida.
Give us a moment while we find more details and notify team about your interest. Thank you for your help in this hour of need. We appreciate your efforts. We will send you the details soon.
So what happened here is the user received an SMS with the learning link, and he has to complete a course and assessment to join the team for disaster management. And the Spaces the backend Dialogflow also sent a message to Spaces using Node backend, and where the information regarding the user was notified. Let's move to the next. The second use case, asking for help.
Options. 1. Emergency rescue. 2. Find a family. 3. Volunteer for rescue operation. 4. Check if you are safe.
Emergency rescue.
Okay, tell me, what do you need help with? 1. Flood. 2. Earthquake. 3. Fire.
I am trapped into earthquake situation.
No problem. I need your location details for evacuating you. Can you please tell me the city and nearby landmark?
I am in New York City and nearby landmark is Empire State Building.
Give us a moment. Let me reach out to concerned team as soon as possible. Please stay calm. I have got your details and the team is on their way.
Okay, so what happened here is when a person in emergency or asking for help for someone else makes a call, his details are taken, and then those are given back to the rescue team. So even in the first case, if you see, the phone number got verified by Telnex APIs, and the information was shared with the Spaces admin.
Assist you with the following options.
Okay,
One.
so let's move ahead. So now the person has asked for help, emergency help. So a rescue team will send their people to the location, and let's see what happens. Okay, we'll skip this lost family member use case, where details of the lost person are noted, and then the person can be called back at a later point.
Check if you are safe.
Find a family.
Okay, I'll move to the next. Okay, so if you want to test it live, you can make a call to this number, and you can also connect to the Space to get the admin messages. Okay, the next important use case is the drone integration. So what we have done is we have a mobile application which uses the Spaces mobile SDK, and it uses the drone SDK. And when a drone connects to the mobile and the Spaces application that we have created using the SDK, it connects to the drone, and it is able to relay the drone footage back to the Spaces backend on a Space meeting room, where other stakeholders can join. and different actions can be taken. So let's go to the live video quickly.
So I'll just start.
So this is a Spaces meeting where the drone is connected and
Can you
few
see the
people
model?
are connected.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Let me fly it a bit up. Now let me show you the damage.
So the person is
Can you
showing
see
the
this?
damage done
Yeah.
in the
Yes.
earthquake.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Can you please take the recording of this place?
Sure.
So the drone controller is operating
Okay,
and then
recording the video.
taking the audios and photos and videos. So let's see some other use cases
I have
where
a Mavic
exactly
Mini
what happens.
drone which will get connected to this space as a user. I will just showcase that quickly.
So what happens over here is the drone gets connected to
I
the
will share the
space,
screen.
and the drone controller shares his screen where the video footage can be
So
streamed to the other side.
What you can see right now is the drone footage that I just showed right now. So I have a few options over here. I can capture a picture or start a recording. So I'll capture a picture
So the picture is captured and then
and it will get
is,
shared, to the
shared
space.
with the
so you can
space
see it over
automatically
here.
in one
It's
click.
getting shared. It's got shared.
Then we have video as well.
So I can just move the drone around a bit.
So the user is recording the
It's
video.
too late to fly the drone in reality. Yeah.
And the media gets
This
saved
media
on
will
the
again
drone.
get downloaded.
It is downloaded on the phone.
And it will get shared on the space in real time. So there was a bit delay. This video is being sent now to the space location.
So the footage
load
got
up the
received
map.
over here. Space on the space. You can also get the
So
location
this
of
is
the
where I can see it. I can draw a geofence around the disaster affected area, and which can be used later. Then I can fetch the geolocation of the drone right now. Because I'm at home, it will not return me the latitude longitude correctly. But when I'm outside, it will return the right latitude longitude and it will get shared and in the chat. Anyone can view the location.
So if you want to see a live demo, just join this space and request for a live demo. This is the Spaces Learning integration.
Okay, so the Spaces learning platform by Toolwire, it will help us with the learning abilities that people can take up. So there are a lot of courses over here and quizzes. So we can go through a few quickly. So a person can become an expert drone flyer by following the course given over here. So there is a course how to fly a drone, which has basics, which I have already completed. In that, I can click on play. It will redirect me to the tutorials.
FPV.
Then I have some guides as well, which I can open.
Okay, let's move ahead.
To make sure that whatever I've gone through,
I can participate in
doing
quiz
it correctly
as well.
or not. Okay, that's it, done.
Okay, I
Alright.
think that's it for now.
Or quick drills or flood.
So, next integration. Thank you.